In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Mindmap in Miro. To begin, open Miro in your web browser and go to the board where you want to build your mind map. In this example, you will open a board from your dashboard and enter it so you can work on the canvas. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct board, because mind maps are added directly onto the board you are viewing. Once your board is open, look over the board area and the tools around it. You are going to use the highlight option to add the starting text for your mind map. Click on Highlight. This activates the Highlight tool so you can place highlighted text on the board. If you do not immediately see anything change, that is normal. Many tools in Miro become active silently, and you will notice the effect once you click on the canvas or start typing. Now, with Highlight selected, type in Highlight. As you type, you should see the highlighted text appear on the board. This text acts like a clear visual label, and it is a simple way to set a main topic or a key idea before you expand it into a fuller mind map layout. If the text appears in an unexpected place, you can click and drag it to reposition it where you want your mind map to start, usually near the center of the area you're working in. While you are typing, focus on keeping the text short and easy to scan. That makes it easier to build out related ideas around it later. If you make a typo, you can click into the text again and edit it, just like other text elements on a Miro board. Also, give yourself enough empty space around the highlighted text so that you have room to add more content as your mind map grows. After your highlighted text is on the board, you have successfully added the starting point using the highlight feature. That covers everything you need to know.